Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, and today here we have a great news for all the Hot Wheel lovers, and we have the Mario Kart edition here with us. So the Mario Kart edition comes with the Princess Peach standard card, Rosalina standard card, Mario Wild Wing and Luigi P-Wing card. So you can see them in detail right now. And next we have the Hot Wheels Racerverse Marvel Edition, and comes with a pack of 5. So the first car would be the Black Panther, and then we have the Rocket Raccoon, then we have the Captain Marvel, then we have the Captain America, and then we have the Thanos. So let us see each of them in detail now. So first one is the Black Panther, as you can see here. And then we have the Rocket Raccoon. Next comes the Captain Marvel. And next we have the Captain America. And finally, last but not the least, we have the Thanos.